my puppet show. Hi there. Bzz, la, la, la. Ah! Sorry. I'm sorry too. Hey, do you want to be friends? That's a good idea. Of course, don't come to my house because I have a lot of cookies. Sure. Hi, Mom. I made a friend out there. His name is Max. And he wants some cookies. Sure. Is that a good idea? Ask your mom. Okay. I don't know. That is not good. My mom said no. It's all right. No things for you to worry. We can just play outside in my backyard. Ask your mom again. She said sure. Okay, let's go. Do you want to play jumping frog? Sure. How do you play that? So you have to jump or fly, and I have to try to tag you. Sure, that's a good idea. Bzzz. Ready? Tag, you're it. Ah! Ow! I got her. I can't play my. That's okay. I'll give you a Band-Aid. Thank you. You're a nice friend. I'm sure am. Okay, go to Mom for a little while. No, I don't want to. Let's just play this funner. Okay then. Yippee! Ow! I got her again. Okay, now let's don't play this game. Let's eat food. Oh yeah, remember my mom